Hi guys, here's Belsee. Today I will introduce this Tesla Star Screen Android 9 Pie System special phone Ford Mustang 2014 to 2020 years. Okay, this Tesla screen front panel you can check. It supports original plug and play. This small speaker connects this harness, and you can check this harness. This connect to back head unit and this canvas box, and this for backup camera. This camera adapter and this speaker and the power connection. Okay. Okay. This is microphone, built-in microphone and the reset hole. It's USB and the front panel. You have navigation. It's built in Google Maps and the radio. It's music, Bluetooth, movie, and phone link, AUX settings. Let me check the settings. This navigation, you can set navigation and default as the app, custom GPS, date and time, language, dimmer user setting, autonomy and split screen, shaken line volume, can adjust the Navi volume, packing, sound, touch, and other settings you can check. This stereo controls, you can check Android 9 Pie system PX63399 is RAM 4GB, RAM 32GB, 3 set, install set, radio, touch key, boot logo, you can change the boot logo. More settings you can check it, built-in Wi-Fi and sound storage system. You can check PX6 Android 9 Pie system. Okay. All its apps are here. It's built in Easy Connection, Maps, and the Play Store. You can download the applications from Play Store. It's link Easy Connection. Support Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, and iPhone Wi-Fi. Okay. First, let me check the Bluetooth. You can check settings, Bluetooth pin code. Let me pair to my phone. Okay, you can turn on the Bluetooth from your phone. Okay. Search. Click pair. Your phone will get command. Please click OK. Okay, it connected, and your phone will get the command. This context listing you can allow or refuse, and phone book, context link, context listing. You can download contacts by here. Okay. It's paired. You can make a phone call. Okay, it works no sound because I do not connect the small speaker and install in the car. There no sound. You can stream music from your phone. It works streaming music from your phone. Okay. This is Bluetooth. This AC information you can adjust and change the air display AC information. This volume. You also can control by steering wheel control. Okay, let me show the music. This USB driver, and there are two USB cable. You can connect USB driver, playing music. It's internal. Internal music. You can play USB. It will show the picture. It's the amplifier. You can adjust in here. Okay, this music, this movie. And you can check video disabled for your safety. So you need to set it in the settings. Find the settings, choose the user setting, and off brake detect. Then play video game. You can play internal movies, and it supports 4K demo video. 4K demo video wrote the word. It's PRP. It also supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Okay. Any apps you can download the Play Store. Okay. That's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Okay, thank you.